the story of the computer didn't start with a screen or a keyboard. It started with the human need to count. Long before the digital era, pioneers sought ways to automate complex calculations, starting with inventions like the abacus, Pascal's calculator, and comptograph. These inventions laid the groundwork for a technological revolution that would eventually shrink room-sized machines into the palm of your hand. So, let's explore this generational journey. Starting with the 1940s to 1950s, the first generation. These computers were famous for their massive size. These weren't machines you put on a desk. They were machines you walked inside of. They used enough power to light up a whole street. The first computers started with the use of a device called a vacuum tube. As mentioned, the computers were very heavy and large and took up lots of electricity. They were used for calculation, storage, and control purposes. Keyboards and screens didn't exist, so punch cards acted as input and output devices. Examples include the ENIAC and the UNIVAC. Moving on to the 1950s to 1960s, the second generation. This generation was famous for ending the use of vacuum tubes. Early computers were unreliable because vacuum tubes would break or fuse like light bulbs due to intense power usage. Transistors were much more reliable. So these computers replaced vacuum tubes with transistors. They were smaller and used less power. The first operating systems were used in this period. These computers were used for large businesses and scientific calculations. Magnetic tapes were used as an input and output device. Examples are the PDP-8 and IBM 7090. These two generations took us from massive vacuum tubes to smaller, faster transistors, setting the stage for the modern world. In the following video, we'll dive into the next three generations and see how we went from simple circuits to artificial intelligence.